about the grasping the burst tail expansion. So one more thing I want to add in here as a supplement of this is, so your hip we're supposed like this, turning to this, and then back to this. So I will show you. So from here. Okay. All right. It's a little handy. Okay, from here. So now, so this is sideways, right? 45 degrees. Now you step. So at this time, while you're expanding, instead of just pushing all the weight here, okay, here. So closing up the quad. Instead, you open up here. You open up here. You open up here. Can you see that? You open up from here. All right. So, and then in the ending move, you tune yourself back to square. And then relax, sinking the force to your feet. So from here, another point to add is like, you have to find the two force, how they correlate with each other. So in literature, they say that expansion is on hands. So finding on hands. So from here, one hand down, one hand up. So this hand is like scratching on water or scratching something. So it's like pulling, downward force, sliding through. And here you go up. All right, not just like this. So you are not like this. All right, you are like this. Can you see that? On the side, like this. Can you see that? So these two forces is contradicting with each other. So that's how the tension creates in your upper body. All right, so I hope this clarified something I missed in the last video, and I hope it helps. Anyway, so yeah.